of prefilled syringes and injection devices here in Gothenburg is great to connect within the community, discussing hot topics with industry peers, but also with our partners, suppliers and so on. So it's really a great opportunity to interact.
By putting together a very nice program for the conferences, PDA really create the perfect atmosphere to connect people, science and regulations.
We moved from 70 people to over 1,000 people. And I've had the privilege to be the co-chair on a few of those conferences, and I'm really enjoying bringing in good topics and good speakers.
For the industry, it's very important to keep in mind that if we want to help patients to achieve the best outcomes on our treatments, we need to put them more than ever in the center.
I'm a patient with a chronic illness, talking to everyone here, and I think people have started to realise how it impacts us emotionally, and they can start to incorporate that into their devices to make their products better for us.
The amount of exhibitors was really big. It's quite an open discussion with the visitors who are looking for the speeches. Also, all the exhibitors are discussing together, coming together, sharing information. That was really nice.
What I like about the poster session at the PDA conference is the diversity of topics, case studies giving the opportunity to go a bit more in technical details.
PDA Europe has increasingly focused on hands-on experience during their training sessions to really bring value back to your companies and our jobs.
This is my third PDA UPS, and for me it's a great opportunity to network, to enjoy the evening, to talk about things not related with the work, and that's important.
We have a very serious conference where we discuss a lot of serious topics in the industry, but it's also important to have fun. At PDA, we are family!